So extraneous solutions are solutions that you end up with when you're solving an equation by doing certain manipulation, but when you plug them back into the original equation, they do not satisfy the original equation. And this often happens with equations with radicals, things like that. And so if you happen to kind of know this, you will immediately then see that this is the equation they have in mind. And to kind of show you why that is the case, when you solve these equations, you're trying to get rid of the radical, so you square them. And in that process, you end up with additional solutions that don't satisfy the original one. They satisfy this equation, and I'll solve that for you here. So it's 8 times 7, so this is going to be x minus 8, x plus 7 equal to 0. So the two solutions we get are 8 and minus 7. And what you will see is that if you plug in minus 7, so this is minus 7 plus 56, minus 7 is 49. So that one will work because square root of 49 is 7. That one is a solution. But 8 isn't. If you were to plug that back in, this is not equal to 0. So that's your extraneous solution. And that's because once you square it, if you look at this number here, if x was minus 7, these were equal. And if you have also, if you put 8, these two aren't equal. But let's see, 56 minus 8, 64. But when you square them, this becomes 64 and 64. So that's why at this stage is where you're getting that extraneous solution. So if you already kind of happen to know this, then obviously it's easy to kind of spot the answer, which is C. But otherwise, I think this would be a hard question if you kind of haven't seen that terminology. The other equations like quadratic, you will get the two solutions or no solutions, but there isn't any extra solutions you're getting that don't satisfy the original. Same thing with the absolute value. You may get one solution, two solution, maybe none. Same thing with that one. So again, you're not going to be getting extra solutions that don't satisfy the original. So to summarize, the answer is choice C.